All right, everybody, welcome to Bummer's Instant Pot. Today we got some nice country boneless style beef ribs here. We're gonna cook these in the Instant Pot, make a great dinner. First thing we're gonna do is get them seasoned up a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little avocado oil on here for a binder to hold the rub on. We're gonna start out first. I'm gonna use some Killer Hogs Texas Brisket Rub. Get that on it good. Try to get plenty of rub on these. Get the flavor in good when we get ready to braise it and get the meat browned up. So. Should be some good flavor. Now we're going to put a little bit of Killer Hogs The BBQ Rub on it. Not one whole bunch, just enough to add just a little bit of color to it, a little flavor. All right, let's get that patted down. Get these flipped over and do the same to the other side. Oh yeah, these are looking good. Should have a great dinner tonight. Get those patted down in there. All right, let's get the Instant Pot. Get ready to get these browned up. Already got the Instant Pot warming up on saute mode. I'm going to add a little avocado oil here to the bottom of it. Might as well use it all. Just about out of it. We are now out of avocado oil. Let's start getting these in here to get them braised up. See how many we can get in here at once. All right. Start getting these browned up, braised up, whatever you want to call it. Let them go for a few minutes on each side here. So, be back when we get ready to flip them over. Righty, let's get these flipped over, see how brown they are. Oh yeah, there we go. Looking good. Get them flipped around here. Get some good seasoning in the bottom of the pan. Alright, we'll give these a couple minutes and be right back. We'll be back. Got these ones braised up. Get them out of here. That's a big one here. Alrighty. Now we're going to go ahead and add, still a little bit of 1 cup of beef broth. Start to get the bottom of this deglazed. Try to scrape all this flavor off the bottom. All these, the seasoning has been cooked in. Get it cleaned up pretty good. All right, looks like we got that. So next, we got 1 cup of, or 1 small can. What is this? 7.5 full ounces. Coca-Cola, 0 sugar. You can use any kind of Coke you want. This will help tenderize the meat. Coke's great for that. You can get any type of Coke you want. And we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to it. Just add it to your flavoring. There we go. That should be good. All right, let's turn this off of saute. Let's get these big old boneless beef ribs back into the pot. There we go. And finish it off. I'm gonna add a little bit of Kraft original barbecue sauce here. Just add a little barbecue flavor to it. You don't have to add too much. There we go. Get it pouring out here. Get that barbecue flavor. We'll probably put some more barbecue sauce on it once we pull them out. All right, there we go. All right, let's get ready to put the top on this. Get ready to start cooking. Okay, let's see. Make sure we're in the sealing position already. Get the top put onto here. There we go. Now we're just going to put it on pressure cook. We're going to set it for 25 minutes tonight. That should be plenty to make these nice and tender. Turn it on. All right, we're going to let it go, get it pressurized, do its 25 minutes. Then we're going to let it do a slow release for 10 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and just depressurize it. Pull these out and see how they are. We're all done. Been naturally releasing for 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead and get this top depressurized out of here. Wait for the pin to drop. Alrighty, there we go. Pin dropped. Take the top off of here and let's see what we got. Oh, those are looking delicious. Alright, let's get these pulled out and see what we got. Oh, these are looking delicious. Super tender. Falling apart on me. Now if you want to, when you're done with these, if you wanted to, you could take them, put them in a pan, put them in a broiler, or put some barbecue sauce on them and put them on the broiler for about 3 or 4 minutes. Get that barbecue sauce baked in, but I ain't worried about that. I think we got all we need here. Let's get the Instant Pot out the way, give these a taste test. Let's give one of these a taste test here, see how it is. Just about falling apart. Pretty much is falling apart. But let's try this out. Oh yeah, delicious. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody that has been watching and subscribing to the channel. We're up to 222 subscribers. Very much appreciated. You want to see some more cooks, hang around, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave some comments, and we'll see you guys on the next one.